How to verify your Coinbase account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the ways to verify Coinbase wallet account. So in order to verify your Coinbase account, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you need to install the application. So on the search box, type in Coinbase and click the open button and log in into your account. When you're logged in, that is going to take you to the home page. Now you could either verify your Coinbase account during the creation of your account or after you're done creating your account as well. So if you're doing it after creating your account, then you just have to press the verify button and accordingly submit the document that has been asked in information, all of that, and you'll be notified within 24 to 48 hours that you've successfully verified your Coinbase wallet account. If you are unable to verify, then you need to re-upload the information or the documents, and that is how you could verify your Coinbase account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.